Harvey the Hedgehog's hidden home. Harvey the Hedgehog was the tidiest little creature in the forest every morning. He woke up with the sun, brushed his tiny teeth, and ate a big bowl of crunchy beetles and berries, just like his mom taught him. One day, his friend Benny the bunny came hopping over. Late as usual. "Harvey, let's play," Benny said, munching on a half-eaten carrot. "First, I must tidy my home," Harvey said, fluffing up his nest of leaves. "But cleaning is boring," Benny groaned. Harvey just smiled. A tidy home means no lost snacks or sleepy time surprises. Quote, "That night, a storm rumbled through the forest. Benny's burrow was messy, and he couldn't find his cozy blanket. He shivered and sneezed. Meanwhile, Harvey snuggled in his neat nest, warm and dry. The next morning, Benny arrived at Harvey's hidden home. Yawning. "I didn't sleep well," he mumbled. "Early to bed, early to rise," Harvey chirped. "And always eat your veggies. Whole ones." He handed Benny a fresh carrot. Benny decided to try Harvey's ways. He cleaned his burrow, ate proper meals, and even went to bed on time. Soon, he felt faster and happier than ever. From then on, the two friends had the most fun, because being disciplined meant more time for adventures. The end. * glowing star. * word count 300. *